Good afternoon, I'm hellbounddeadman from How Good Designs, and today we are going to be teaching you how to install the Code 3 panel for LuxArt Vehicle Controller by Trevor Barnes. If you don't already have the LuxArt Vehicle Controller set up already, I will be linking a video down below which will explain how to set up and configure the panel to your liking. As you can see here, the panel is full set with animations, siren, and all the buttons do work. As well, it does have support for the takedown setting on LuxArt Vehicle Controller as well. Let's move over to the files and we'll get this done. Alright, and moving over to the file system. I do apologize for my voice degrading throughout the video. I've got a bit of a cold. But anyway, moving over to the downloads and server files. So moving over to your server files, just go into your resources folder here, and wherever you have your LVC folder, just open that up as well. Now, when you download when you purchase the Code 3 UI, you will get a download link, which you will be able to download as well. Simply go into it, open it up, and you can either extract it or you can open it directly with WinRAR or whatever your zipping program is. And then just go into here, and you'll see a README and a license folder. Those will just contain the basic information on how to use the file and also how to install the file as well. Also, will contain a link in the README file to LuxArt Vehicle Control if you don't already have it installed. I recommend installing the latest version with the Takedowns plugin installed for full functionality of the UI. Now, inside the LuxArt Vehicle Controller, the LVC folder, simply go into your UI file in your resources and into your download. And what you want to do is just simply in your UI, you can delete HTML, delete the textures folder, and then copy and paste the textures and HTML from the How Good Designs Code 3 download. After this, the best thing to do is simply to restart your server. Restarting the plugin may work for some people, however, sometimes it will bug out. So it is always recommended to restart the complete server or wait until whenever you have a scheduled server restart. And then that should be it. Once you've restarted the server and LuxArt Vehicle Control has been activated, you will be all good to go and ready to enjoy your brand new Code 3 controller. And with that, thank you for watching the video. If you guys do want more from How Good Designs as well, why not consider becoming a supporter on Buy Me a Coffee? If you head to buymeacoffee.com/howgooddesigns for only $1 a month or $3 a month for our tier 2. You can become a supporter for How Good Designs, and you can get early access to models, assets, and textures, as well as exclusive access to Discord channels and private question and suggestion channels, which have priority. On this as well, you get to support us on a monthly basis, and you get exclusive discounts on current and future assets and early access to development products, as well as development access to servers that will come up in the future. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope to see you guys soon. See ya.